the reason is what I just read. We're not the same people.
That's what you identify. You identify.
No, the Bible identifies.
No, the Bible did not name.
Everyday life identifies. How many of y'all had experience?
Scream over it.
Hold on.
The Bible did not name Haitians.
All right, hold on. Of course it did. That's the modern day
Puerto
name.
Ricans, Cubans.
The Bible didn't name Nigeria, but you're still him.
It did. I didn't say I was Israelite.
Before we go to that, right? How many of y'all had an experience that showed y'all that the Africans wasn't y'all people? Raise your hands high.
That is sad.
Raise them high.
So you mean those countries in like the Shanti, the Yoruba tribe, and all those people? They're not.
Say it again.
Like the Yoruba.
Yeah, some of them Yoruba Israelites. The Igbo, yeah, they're Israelites. Yeah.
Well, then why they still living in Africa?
Because for whatever reason they didn't come over here. Remember
Scattered all over.